and full speed ahead. And here we go. Alright. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Crimson Ant, and welcome back to Teardown. Alright, so I don't know what the next mission is, actually. I did get a blowtorch, which I remember this is actually really cool. Except that is the fire extinguisher. That is the blowtorch. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. What's this? Oh, well, it's gone. Whatever it was, it's gone. Alright, so is there anything else I can do around here? I mean, it's in the fridge. Well, come on. Oh, God. Alright, fine. Oh, it burns. That's fine. That's fine. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, my bedroom, which am I putting like walls up or something? Huh. That's fine. Just ignore that. All right. So let's see. I guess what's my next job I gotta do? Let's look. All right. What do you got for me? Need coffee. So basically, need more clients. All right. Thanks, Mom. All right. Gordon Wu. So we bought a yacht recently, but it is too large for the marina, and the board says there's no space for a new dock. So you want to make it smaller. It's fine. That's fine. I'm just let's just okay, no. Let's just go before that gets any worse. All right, I'm here. Wait, can I drive this? Ooh. Oh no, this is my skate boat. Okay, gotcha. So that's my boat. So I don't have the van anymore. All right. Oh hey, Grub Grill. I remember this from the last episode. Hello. Ooh. I'm just gonna take that. Thank you very much. Grab that. Got some sunglasses. Open that up. What else is valuable in here? Wait, what? People really like that energy drink. Oh, these are energy drinks? I thought this was like... I don't know, I thought that was like an ice bin or something. Guess not. Cutting board. I guess that's the cutting board. Bread. Oh, this is mustard? I guess that's mustard. Sausage is no better than its condiments. True that. True that. Alright, let's go. I'm not here for that. I'm here for the yacht. So, where's the yacht? I can't miss it. I feel like I can't miss a yacht. Is that it over here? Where are you? Okay, so... Oh, I have 2 objectives. Alright, so that's a secondary. Okay, so I have to go up here and over here. Okay. Oh, I have to destroy proof of ownership of the yacht. Okay. I thought I was destroying the yacht. I was like, okay. I mean, hey, I'll take it. Yeah, sure. Alright, so I have to go in this one? It's probably locked. Or not. It's not locked at all. Yeah, it's in here. Okay. Might be second floor? Yeah, I think it's on the top floor. Any valuables? Hello? I'm really tempted to destroy this place. I have my sledgehammer out and I really want to destroy... Wait, hold on. It's... Nice. Oh, this is valuable. Okay, I'll take it. I wonder what I do with this cash. I have no idea what to do with this cash yet. Chair. I guess I can't steal the chair. Fair enough. Whoa. Well, it's a bathroom. That's a bathroom, alright? Is this a bathroom? That's a bathroom. Alright, well. This place isn't that sturdy. Yeah. Alright, there we go. Alright, so where's the stairs? Right where I destroyed that. There we go. So I think it's up here. No eating at desk. There, now you can eat at the desk. Because it's not on a desk anymore. Today's agenda. Permit? Okay, so is this what I need to destroy? No, I don't think so. It's in here, isn't it? Ah, here we go. Do I... Oh, blowtorch. Blowtorch. I'm just making it another color. Alright, so wait, I have to destroy it, right? Yeah, destroy proof. Okay. How? Alright, hold on. It's gonna work. No. How do I destroy this? Wow, I'm strong. Alright, well. Alright, you know what? Let's bring it downstairs. Alright, come on. Come on. Get down there. That's it. Come on. There you go. Ah, okay. Let's get it outside. Shave the bushes. With my sledgehammer, you know. Oh, this might be a problem. I can't really break through this. Still don't know why I have a spray can, but... Ugh, come on. Come on. Ugh, come on. Come on. Need to shave this off a bit. Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. Ugh, come on. Okay, maybe I should just go out the front door. Or make another door. Well, this is the front door. That was the front door. Alright, yeah, we'll just take it out here and throw it in the ocean. Alright, come on. This way. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, hold on. I got too much in the way. Alright, let's go. Come on. Oh, there we go. There we go. Here we go. Come on. I think I'm dragging it. I am. Okay. Oh, it's always something. Alright, you move out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Alright. Come on. Let's go. Alright, now let's go. I need to push it this way. There we go. There we go. Let's go. That's it. Come on. God, I feel like I'm talking to a dog. Except I'm talking to a safe. Alright, come on. Come on. Alright, maybe I need to make this a bit wider. I don't know if I have any more blowtorch. I have a tiny bit of blowtorch. That is all my blowtorch. Okay, well. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, that's not coming. Alright, so I have to shift it. Alright, so now I might be able to make it through. Okay, let's try this. Lift it up. Or not. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. All you need to do is go up. Alright, hold on. I have another idea. Alright, let's try this. Give it a little bit more encouragement. Alright. If I can... There we go. Okay. Oh, I can break through that. Okay, hold on. Oh, well. Well. I mean, Kinda. Oh, I just walk over. I have to do this. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Here we go. Progress. Progress. There we go. Alright. Just a little farther. Just a little farther. It's fine. It's fine. And into the ocean you go. Into the ocean. God, okay. Oh, this isn't even an ocean. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Keep dragging it. Just come on. Oh, come on. God, it's stuck on everything. There we go. Come on. You're good. Let's go. This way, this way, this way. Yeah, there you go. And into the ocean. And into the ocean you go. And into the ocean. Yay! Okay. God, that took forever. Probably could have done that better. Alright, what's next? Almost counted in the warehouse. Okay, so that's my boat. That's the secondary objective, and then the other primary. I think we'll go to the other secondary. Let's get another car. And we'll go drive over there. Alright. So I believe it's over this way. Oh, I probably should have put the brakes on. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I could just buff that out. It's fine. Yeah, keep going this way. Scares me. Pride of me coming through. Is it in there? Well, I guess we'll find out. Here we go. How's this thing still driving? I have no idea. Break through. I'm in, I think. Yes, okay, this is the right one. So, up here... I'm guessing that's it? Oh, it's a large safe? How am I gonna destroy this? Is there, like, propane around here? It's gotta be propane. It's gotta be explosives. What kind of warehouse is this without explosives? Yes, there we go. Careful, careful, careful. Gentle, gentle, and throw. That sucks. Now I kind of wish I kept this. Well, wait, hold on. I could probably use this and drive it. Ooh, okay. Someone's burning. Oh, I made a fire. That's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, fire alert. Oh, fire alert, fire alert. Hold on. That might cause the alarm to go off. I just realized that. Hold on. Stop it. Shh. It's fine. It's fine. Oh god, that's getting big. Okay, hold on. I made mistakes. Mistakes were made. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's good. We're good. I forgot there was a hole there. Hold on. Yeah, that's lined up. And then I could just drive that into the lake. Or into the ocean. Whatever it is. Okay, I guess I have to go through here. Alright, well, it's fine. It's fine. Alright, so, blap, 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 blap. You're so close. Just get in. Just get in. What's holding you back? Something's holding you back. Hold on. Oh. Oh, I'm stuck. There we go. Try that. Come on. You're so close. You're so close. Just give this to me. don't know how. Okay, that's a problem. It's not a. All right, hold on. Oh, I'm making it worse. I'm making it worse. I'm making it worse. No. 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 Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well, I guess it's down here. It's just dragging in the ocean. Come on. Well, you know what? Let's just do this. I should have got like all the stuff out of the bed. I don't know why I didn't think about that. Alright, if I could just turn this around. Oh, something's going off in here. Ah! Oh, here we go. I guess that's kind of better. Just turn it around. That's all you need to do. Maybe there might be another vehicle for this. Hold on. Well, I mean, this is working-ish. Alright, hold on. There's gotta be another vehicle for this. Okay, that's perfect. Hold on, hold on. Let's get rid of this. Park you there. Alright. Perfect. Alright, so let's try not to destroy this. As I'm destroying it. Okay, hold on. Okay, that's to lower it. Yes, there we go. No. I need like something below it. Is there like a scoop or something I can use? Like a one with a scoop? Hold on. Oh, wait. Is that one? I can use that and then I can just dump it right in. Unless it's some tinier forklift, which I need just a smaller forklift. Yes. Yes. Okay. Don't break this. Alright, here we go. Let's try this. This might work. Almost. Actually, that's in a better spot. God, I'm stuck. Really? Alright, come on. Come on. Alright, wait, no, that was too early. God, I have it in like the worst spot too to do this. Alright, actually, you know what? If I was smart, hold on. Alright, get out of this. I can drag this to a degree. God, the debris, I made it worse. There we go. Alright, pick this up. Get this out of here. Alright. At least I'm getting the hang of the throwing mechanic. Whoa. Hi. I don't know what happened there. That was weird. Shake it. Shake it. Ah, you know what's good enough. God, I wish I could center this a bit more. Hold on. Alright, you know what? Let's do this. Okay, hold on. Come on. Oh, I got it. I got it. Alright, so let me just fix it a tiny bit. Okay. Oh god, this is so heavy. This won't even work. Okay, you know what? I guess I have to get this scoop. The scooper. I needed something with a scoop. Alright, hold on, I'll be back. Alright, hopefully this works. I guess we'll see. Whoa, okay, trying to be careful with the scoop. I don't want to destroy it. At least not yet. Just needs to get over here, that's all it needs to do. Alright. Yeah, trying to shift it in there. I guess that's better. Wait. So close. I'm so close. Hold on. No, 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 not that way. Alright, hold on. I got this. Come on. There we go. I don't know why I didn't do that. Alright, well, I got it. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Alright, so now I have to go. God, I have to go all the way back. Alright, give me a second. I'll be back. Alright, I'm here. Oh, I need to demolish this one. Okay. Does it happen to have any explosives in it? I mean, it could be. I'm just saying it could be. Can I drive a boat into it? Because I really want to drive a boat into it. So I'm going to drive a boat into this house. Alright, let's go. Yeah, we don't need that tether. Alright, there we go. Or anchor. Alright. This should do it. I just need some speed. Back up. Oh, too far. I'm almost out of the bounds. Okay. And full speed ahead. And here we go. Well, I think I did more damage to this one than the other one. I mean, I did something. Alright, hold on. Turn. This thing is hard to turn. It's probably because I have all this debris on me. Alright, let's just get rid of that. Anchor. Yeah, there you go. There we go. It's fine. There you go. You don't need that. Yeah, you need the dock anyways. There it goes. There you go. I just need to do one more pass. Hold on. One more pass. I wish I could turn. There we go. And here we go. It's fine. It's good. We're good. It's just there. Okay. Wait. There we go. Alright. Ramming. Ram. I need to go faster. Alright. That's a good spot. I just need to go faster. God, the dock went up too. Alright. Full speed. Yep. Scary speeds right here. Oh. I'm sinking. Oh, no, I'm going back up. Alright, hold on. I might need the other boat. I think this boat's kaput. Yeah, there she goes. Alright, well, let's go in this. Yeah, there we go. Let's go in this other one. This one's still good. Man, I love how I can swim with the sledgehammer. Okay. Yes, yank that off. We don't need that. Alright. I hope this guy has two boats, because yeah. Well, one's at the bottom of the ocean. This one's probably... I mean, it's going to be in bad shape when I do this, so... There we go. Really? 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 Alright, hold on. There we go. Alright. Actually, let's skip it. Whoa. Let's go back into this boat and then go back to our escape boat. Ugh. All right, back up. I still have my my anchor rope still attached. All right, let's get to my boat, and we'll get out of here. God, that took way longer than it should have. All right, just park it right here, right there. Perfect. And there we go. Yeah, that was not fast at all. All right, continue. Why am I on the roof? Why am I on the roof? What am I doing? Why is there a hole in here? What did I do? All right, well, let's go in, I guess. Huh. Ow. This is new. I got a nice bathroom. God, I have to every time. Oh, it's just these in the back. Okay, wait, no, I don't need that. This way. Wait, is this building like expanding every time I go? Still can't destroy this. Ooh, new tools. Shotgun. Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Oh, that sounds amazing. Wait, hold on. Boom. Boom. Yes. Yes. Alright, I gotta stop wasting this. So I gotta stop shooting. Oh, man. Am I expanding this place? Boom. Boom. Man, that's nice. I have a semi truck. Can I drive it? Oh, we can't. Anything in it? No, empty. Alright, I guess one more shot for the road. Boom! Alright, let's go. Open. There we go. Let's do one more mission. Classic cars. So there's a classic car auction from Black River the other day, and one guy just kept overbidding me. So his name is Lawrence Lee Jr. Why does that name sound familiar? Was it from this guy? Lee? Yeah, Lawrence Lee Jr. Oh, I got two. I got two missions. Ooh, okay, interesting. Wait, so for this one, what do I do for this one? Oh, I have to get the two classic cars. Okay, what's this one? Steal a GPS from the boat. That sounds more fun. I want to steal two classic cars. I'm gonna do that. Alright, so I guess I gotta bring him to my semi here. That I did shoot with the shotgun, but it's fine. Okay. Let's see. Documents up here. Let me check that out. Nice rainy, well, wet day. Have I been here before? Was this the last one? Looks familiar. I know that Grubhub. I know that Grubhub anywhere. Because I stole the register. I was here. Because the register is still gone. Okay. Well, I guess it's the same guy, right? So he's probably like, this must be the place or whatever. Okay. Oh, it's one of these. Alright, what happens if I do this? Okay, wait, what's the quick save? Quick save. Okay. Where am I going with this? I am already messing up. You know what? Let's reload. Quick load. And that's why I quick saved. You know what? I don't want to touch that. I want to steal the cars. Where are the cars? Give me the cars. I want the cars. Alright, ooh, boats over here. Might as well take them. Because I gotta go over here, right? No, I have to go on a boat for one. Oh, there's one right there. Okay. Alright. Let's take the little fast one here. Well, I think it's fast. I don't know. Oh, yeah, that's fast. Alright, so how am I gonna get this? Oh, it's a Jeep. Or in this world, it's probably like a Deep. Or a... It's still the same with the G, I think. Or is it a Geep? Geep, yeah. It's a Geep. Alright, so wait, hold on. How do I get this out of here? How am I gonna steal this? Alright, hold on. Yeah, swim. There's gotta be a way. I probably should have taken the boat. Oh, here we go. Well, there's no way on the boat unless I just jump on here. Which I'm probably gonna have to make a path. Unless I can drive it. Can I drive this? Ooh, I can. Okay. Oh, this is wired as well. Oh no. Okay, let me. All right, so that's one, right? Okay, the other one's over here. Is there a dock over there? Yes. All right, here we go. It's probably also. So I might have to plan this all out. I think that's just what's gonna have to happen. Yeah, this one's also. Okay. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's still in good shape. Just bring it over here. That's fine. Ah, there we go. Alright, so now I just gotta go to my truck, or the semi-truck, and then this one will be basically ready to go. Perfect, this one's ready to go. And then what I can do... Oh, okay, I can do this easily, actually. Alright, so back this up. I can do this easily. Alright, lower that down. So then all I have to do... God, no front. All I have to do is just drive... I have to back it up. That's all I have to do. And then I can steal that boat, back it up to here. I can raise and lower the bridge. Oh. Interesting. Okay, so let's go back, actually. I don't want to jump into that yet, because that might be a mistake. Alright, so let's go back to the boat here. And then... Basically, yeah, I'm going to back it up. Into the... Because I think the boat is the same height as the bridge, I think. For the back end. I mean, I could check. Worst case scenario is I guess I can bring it there. Actually, back up. Go forward. There we go. There we go. Alright. Alright. Because there's the truck. There's my escape vehicle. Okay. Back it up. 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 I think that's the right height. Oh, I think it is. I think it's perfect. Alright, I just have to be careful not to destroy the bridge. I gotta back it up a tiny bit more. Hold on, straighten it out a bit. No, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Well, that's fine. Just a little love tap. That was more than a little love tap, but you know what? I'll take it. It's better than nothing. God, doors in this game just do not work with me. Oh boy. Okay. Okay. Before I do anything, quick save, because this go horribly wrong. Okay. Oh, perfect. I don't even need to like do anything with it. I just have to do that. And there we go. Let's go. I'm not even doing the other objectives. Let's go. There we go. Oh, I just drove off. Okay, well, it's fine. It's fine. And there we go. Where am I now? What am I doing out here? Is this corn? Am I growing stuff? Where's the truck? Nice. Well, I guess let's go check my mail. Hold on. Alright, let's go check my mail. It's good. There we go. Alright, so I got... Oh, interesting. Oh, man. Okay, so this is the guy I've been actually, like, stealing stuff from. And now he's coming to me because he doesn't know I'm involved, but he knows the other guy was Gordon Wu. That's funny. Okay, well, I need new tools. Still have a shotgun. I need to use a shotgun. I'm very disappointed in myself. Did I steal something? It's probably gonna say something about I steal something. Yeah. Alright, still doesn't work. Disappointing. Alright, I'm gonna end this episode here. Continue on in the next one. What am I doing? Where's the oh! Hey, I got a first little place here. Yay! Yay! And I'm destroying all my progress. Alright, well, I'm gonna end this episode here. I really want to burn this place down. I don't know why. So, where's my fridge? Where did I put the fridge? Whoop. This is it. No, it must be building supplies or something. Huh. Alright, well, yeah, I'm gonna end this episode here while my place is burning down. Yeah. I think I want to try... I do want to try, like, the sandbox, see what that's like. And I'm curious to see where this is gonna be going. I love the game, though. It's a lot of fun just trying to figure out where, like, how to do different things. I mean, you can do stuff like completely. There's just a million different ways to do stuff. But man, I do love how everything's destructible, and I love all the destruction in this game, as you can tell, because I'm burning my place down. But yeah, I don't know why I have a shotgun, but I'm glad I have a shotgun. Still don't know what to do with it though. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, have a good one, guys.